If you own a 23 teen to 28 in Ram, there's a $3,200 problem coming. It's real, it's documented, but 85% of you will never see it. Let me explain why. The problem? Transmission valve body failure. 8-speed ZF transmission. Fails between 80 and 120,000 miles. Harsh shifting. Hesitation. Transmission fault light. Repair cost, $3,200 to $4,500. This is real. But here's what changes everything. This only happens when transmission fluid is never changed. Fluid degrades, solenoids stick, valve body clogs. If you changed your fluid even once, you're almost certainly safe. 85% of 23rd to 28 owners maintain their trucks. They'll never see this problem. 3 questions to know if you're safe. Question 1, ever change transmission fluid? Yes, you're 95% safe. Question 2, under 80,000 miles with original fluid? Yes, you have time. Change it now. Question 3, over 100,000 miles with smooth shifting? Yes, you dodged it. You're clear. The prevention. Change transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. Cost $250 to $350. Prevents $3,200 valve body. Your timeline, under 60,000 miles.
Schedule at 60,000.
60 to 120,000, never changed. Do it this week. Over 120,000, smooth shifting, you're a survivor. Keep maintaining. Warning signs if you're in the 15%. Sign 1, harsh shift second to third gear. Sign 2, hesitation from stop. 1 second delay. Sign 3, transmission fault light. Sign 4, won't shift into 8th gear. If you have any of these, get it checked now. Early fix, $500 to $800. Wait until complete failure, $3,200. Bottom line, this $3,200 problem is real, but it's preventable. 85% who do basic maintenance will never see it. 15% who ignore fluid changes pay the price. 1 service every 60,000 miles. $300 prevents $3,200. Check your records right now. When did you last change transmission fluid? Ever? Schedule today. Already done? You're in the safe group. Comment your year and mileage below. Let's see who's in the safe 85.5%.